taking a tour of the Rainforest Room on the Wonder. Haven't been on a Magic class Rainforest Room before, so this will be interesting to see. Let's show you around a little bit. All right, so just like the Rainforest Room on the Fantasy that we saw recently, a little water, some towels.
Don't forget the robes. Nice
little colorful entrance. You got your robes and your slippers over here, and then we're gonna walk around behind here, and we've got the mild steam room, which I'm just gonna open the door to before it fogs up my camera lens. There's the mild steam room. We've got the heated loungers. This experience is the same price as the one on the Fantasy, but it only takes up to 6 people. So you've got your heated loungers, a little sitting waiting area over here. And then on this side, you have the aromatic steam room.
I think it's a hotter steam room.
Yeah, well, and it's also probably got some eucalyptus or something in it. So yeah, there's the aromatic steam room. And then back through here, you've got your tropical thunder, your rain shower, cold fog. So they each only have one shower option. It's not 3 or 4 like it is on the Fantasy. Tropical thunder. Ooh, that's hot. I didn't know that it rained like 110-degree water.
Oh, really?
Very, very hot. Very hot. Very cold. Not a polar bear plunge, but cold. So, unlike the Rainforest Room on the Fantasy, no hot tubs in here. It's completely in the interior of the ship. Yeah, that's about it. Sammy, excited? Try out the Rainforest Room? All right, we're gonna go have fun. This is my equivalent of a massage experience, so we're gonna go do that.